Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Just in case you are new here, this is BlessingGodwinTV. So we are still on the developmental strides of this administration, and we are talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. So far so good. It has been from one transformational project to the other. So today we are here again. For those who always complain about those sellers who normally hang around the Ekwulobia flyover under umbrellas, thereby making those places unkept and unorganized. This video is mainly for you because this project you are seeing here is a very transformational one and very important one. You see, it is going to address the incessant trading all along those Ekwulobia axes around the flyover, where you will see umbrellas and then those who sell stuffs on tables along the roadside. This market is going to address all of those needs. So officially, I'm welcoming you all to the ultra-modern market in Ekwulobia. Yes, this project was started from scratch by the current administration in Anambra State, and we are talking about the Soludo's administration, and this market is going to address a lot of needs, not just about the market. It is also going to address the issue of incessant parking of vehicles along the Ekwulobia roads, talking about commercial vehicles. So there is a double project going on here, okay? It's a dual project. First of all, in this particular section where we are now, we are right at the market section. This is where they are constructing a market for those who are selling stuffs, those petty traders, and those market women who will be selling foodstuffs and so on. So all of those people are going to be pushed or moved to this particular location. Talking about all of those who sell stuffs along the flyover, and then those who sell stuff along the Sofia Road, and those who sell stuffs along the Oko Road, and then along the Oga Road. This is a very wise move from the Anambra State government. Just like I've told you guys from the other video we did, that Anambra State is a construction site, and you can see just one of these projects that is going on in Ekwulobia by the Anambra State government. So far so good. This project has actually progressed from one level to another. And as a matter of fact, if you look closely, you will even notice that at the other side, they are already progressing towards the roofing stage. Don't worry, I will take you guys gradually around this project site, and you will see all of what is going on right within this market. You can also see the space, the store space, how it looks like already. Yes, the formation have been done already, and then probably they will also do plastering and also fix lights within this market. So if you look over here also, you will see that there is an ample space for car parking right within this market. You can see it for yourself. So this is also done to avert people parking their vehicles on the roadside whenever I want to come and buy something within this market. So you wouldn't need to park your vehicles on the roadside. All you need to do is drive inside the market. Okay? And this will also address the issue of roadblocks along locations where we have markets in Anambra State, because it's already becoming a culture in Anambra. Wherever there is market, we always experience roadblocks. But with this particular strategy that is being put in place here, all of those are going to be averted completely. So this road is going to be the road along this Ekwulobia road is going to be free completely. There wouldn't be any toleration of parking along the roadside by the time this market is fully completed. So guys, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I would love to hear from you what you think about this project that's going on here. Yes, what do you think about this project? What do you think about the government of Anambra State? What do you think about most of the projects that are going on within the state right now? Okay, it is very, very important we hear your feedbacks, we hear your advices, your commentations, whatever it is you have to say, or if you know things about this project that we don't even know, please, we would love to hear from you so that we all will be on the same page together. So just like I told you before now, what is going on here is a dual project. It's not just this market, okay? There is also a provision just along beside this market. There is also a space where they are constructing a motor park, okay? Yes, and also and within this motor park there is also a standard store space and also office space within this motor park. So after here, we are going to go straight into the motor park so that you will see how that location also looks like. So if you look around this place, you will see that the materials for the roofing of this market are already on ground and work is going on even as we speak. Yes, they are already roofing the market as we speak right now. Work is going on. So we are saying that solution is really at work in Anambra State. And the governor of Anambra State, currently talking about Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo, is doing all within his powers to see that Anambra State is truly the light of the nation. And that is what we are saying today. From security to infrastructure to road network, education, name it, every aspect of the economy of Anambra State is actually taking a new turn currently as we speak right now. So I'm saying thank you to this administration, and I pray that God continue to give this administration the willpower to continue doing what it is doing continuously and progressively. So right now you can also look at the roofing. It is going on. The roofing has already commenced. You can see that workers are already on ground and they are progressing with the roofing work. So this is all we got for the market section for now. So even as this project progresses, we'll keep bringing you guys updates on that section. So over here right now, you can see we are already entering the motor park section. Yes, this motor park is going to address a lot of issues in Ekwulobia. Don't forget that we have an ultra-modern motor park also being constructed right beside the flyover, okay? So this particular one is also being constructed, because I believe that particular one will not be enough to curtail the issue of commercial buses and around Ekwulobia. So there is a need for this one to be constructed, and that's what the Anambra State government is doing. You know, constructing another ultra-modern motor park to address the needs of commercial vehicles along the Ekwulobia axis. This is going to be a very good project and a very interesting project by the time it is being completed. I'm telling you, Ekwulobia is truly the fourth city in Anambra State, and it is becoming the fourth city with style. Seriously, the style at which the current governor is working in Ekwulobia is so impressive. I must tell you this. It's so impressive and interesting. I must tell you that Ekwulobia indigenes are one of the most lucky people even in this administration, notwithstanding that work is going on in every part of Anambra State. So it's not thoroughly one-sided. I must tell you the way it is. Work is going on in virtually every part of the state. So stick to this channel, because we are bringing you new projects, virgin projects that are just continuing or that are just in progress currently. Yes, we are talking about new projects that are coming up in Anambra State. There are lots of them, and we are going to bring them up to you on this channel. So just in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I indulge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, because there are lots of updates coming your way on this channel, and it will do yourself well to subscribe so that you will keep you'll be updated of what is going on within the state and also outside the state, talking about the region as a whole. So we are still at the motor park section right within the facility. So this place is going to be, we are going to have an office space within here Also, standard stores also are right within this construction site. So you can see what the Anambra state government is doing currently in this axis of the state. So let me hear from you. Your advices, please. Your commendations, your thoughts, whatever it is you have or you know about this project that we don't know about, please do well to share with us on the comment section. Bye.